What's going on, everyone? I apologize for the wind. Nothing I can do about it. I'm here in North Carolina, and when we have a nice day outside, I have to take advantage of it. I've been waiting to see if the wind would stop, but it wouldn't. So here's Jimmy's hatch. It's back from the body shop. It got the new front end put on it. Looks good. We're gonna have it painted and everything, so it's not a big deal. It's just not on the highest of priorities right now. And so yeah, we're gonna switch the hood and put the front bumpers on it. We're gonna find a motor and he's got a transmission. We just gotta find a motor, and we got some fenders, so we're gonna put some fenders on it and paint the car. This car needs it. And yeah, we're gonna switch out. I think he has a harness to switch out still, and we're gonna do some more little custom touches to it. But yeah, just a little update on the hatch. It's back. It's got the new front end on it. It's coming along very well. It's just taking time, just like my El Camino. It's gonna take time because money doesn't fall out the sky. So he has an Integra now. He sold the race truck and got an Integra, so he has a stock Integra basically for a daily now. So maybe once we get this up and going and reliable, I can talk him into doing something cool with that. But yep, this is just a little update video on the hatch. And we're planning on doing, I think, Integra seats and some other little custom touches inside. So yeah, just stay tuned, and we'll have another update video sometime in the very near future on both cars. And we should be stripping the El Camino real soon.